Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to change the tappet cover gasket on a Kohler Courage engine. So let's get started. Okay, the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take the exhaust off. There's 4 10mm bolts on this particular model. Not all of them are the same, but I'll show you how this one comes off. You loosen up the 4 bolts, take them out. Muffler will slide right off. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is remove these 4 bolts. They are 8mm. I've already went ahead and loosened them up already. I'm going to take those out. Going to pull our dipstick out. Set that stuff aside. And your cover should lift straight up. Now we're able to access our Tappet rocker cover. Okay, now I got the plastic shroud or cover pulled off. Next I'm going to pull the spark plug wire off, set that aside. I cleaned it up a little bit because it was covered in grease and oil and stuff and collection of dirt. Next I'm going to pull this tube out from the Tappet cover. And there is 7 bolts that I'll be pulling out with a 10mm socket. Once your bolts are all out, just pull on it, and usually it just comes right off. And as you can see, this gasket was pretty bad. Now I'm going to go through and clean it up. I'm just going to take a razor blade, gently scrape off any debris, anything that's stuck, like this gasket. Get it nice and cleaned up. Once all that's clean, make sure there's no old gasket falling inside or any foreign debris. Alright, once that's all done, you're going to take a new gasket. Sometimes it doesn't line up exactly. Best thing I do, stick a couple bolts through it. One on the top, one on the bottom. And as you can see, all the holes are now lined up. Go ahead and place it back on the engine. Lightly start your bolts. I'm going to put all mine in just like this to make sure my gasket is lined up. Now all my bolts are in. I'm going to go ahead and snug all these bolts up. Once your bolts are all snugged up, put your holes back into the Tappet cover. Don't forget your spark plug wire. And then we'll go ahead and put the cover back on the top. And the plastic cover or shroud will go back on the same way it came off. Just slides right over the top. Bolt holes line up. Eight millimeter bolts go back in. Once Once your bolts are back in and snugged up, put your dipstick back in. Next, I'm going to put the exhaust back on. All right, guys, that's all there's to it. Your mower still may smoke a little bit from the oil that's left over on the muffler. You can go ahead and just let that burn off, or you could just power wash your muffler. That really helps it to get clean quickly. If you have any questions or anything like that, hit me up in the comments. Hit that like, subscribe. Until again, I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.